What if the blurry vision you're experiencing after 60 isn't simply getting older, but a warning sign your eyes are under stress? Imagine waking up in the morning and struggling to read your phone, or feeling blinded by headlights while driving at night. Most people assume that's just part of aging. But the truth is, many of these changes start deep inside the eye, years before you notice them. And once you understand what's really happening, you may be able to protect your vision much more effectively. Hello, I'm Dr. Julia Martin, a preventive eye health and aging wellness medical advisor. And I spend much of my time helping older adults understand how lifestyle and nutrition can influence long-term eye health. Welcome to the channel. Here we break down health topics in a simple, clear, and practical way so you can understand what's really happening in your body and make smarter health decisions. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss important health updates. Before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever noticed that your vision feels more blurry in the morning than it used to? Maybe you need brighter light to read, or headlights at night suddenly feel much more intense than they did a few years ago. Perhaps you've even found yourself holding your phone a little farther away just to see the text clearly. Now here's the real question. Do you think this is simply a normal part of aging? Or could it be a sign that your eyes are not getting the support they need anymore? Take a moment and think about it. If your eyesight became noticeably clearer tomorrow morning, what would be the very first thing you'd love to see more clearly? Your family's faces, a beautiful sunset, or simply the words on a page without squinting? Write your answer in the comments below. I genuinely love to hear it. One of the most common things I hear from adults over 60 across the United States is this: my vision is getting worse, but I guess that's just part of aging. That belief is incredibly widespread, but it's also one of the biggest misunderstandings about eye health. Yes, our eyes do change as we age. Just like our joints, muscles, and skin, the tissues inside the eye gradually become more delicate over time. But blurry vision is not always something you simply have to accept. In many cases, it's the result of specific biological processes that are happening inside the eye, processes that can sometimes be slowed, supported, or managed when people understand what's really going on. After the age of 60, the retina becomes more vulnerable to damage. The retina is the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye that converts light into signals your brain can interpret as images. It contains highly specialized cells called photoreceptors, which allow you to see fine detail, distinguish colors, and adapt to different lighting conditions. These cells are incredibly delicate, and over time, they become more susceptible to oxidative stress, inflammation, and reduced blood flow. This is one reason conditions like dry eye syndrome, cataracts, and age-related macular degeneration become more common in older adults. For example, macular degeneration affects the central part of the retina responsible for sharp vision, making it harder to read, recognize faces, or see details clearly. Cataracts, on the other hand, occur when proteins in the lens of the eye begin to break down and cloud the normally clear structure that focuses light. But here's the key point many people don't realize. These conditions rarely appear overnight. In most cases, the underlying changes begin slowly and silently, years before symptoms become obvious. That's why someone might first notice subtle issues, like needing brighter light to read, experiencing halos around headlights while driving at night, or feeling that their eyes take longer to focus in the morning. Across the United States, vision problems are becoming more common as the population ages. But awareness is also growing that lifestyle factors, such as diet, circulation, sleep quality, and nutrient intake, play a meaningful role in how well our eyes maintain their function over time. Understanding that blurry vision is not simply an unavoidable part of aging can be empowering. It encourages people to pay attention to early warning signs and to support their eye health proactively, rather than waiting until vision problems become severe. Your eyesight plays a central role in your independence, safety, and quality of life. Whether it's reading a message from your family, driving safely at night, or simply enjoying the details of the world around you, protecting your vision starts with understanding what your eyes truly need as you age. When most people think about sleep, they imagine it as a time when the body completely shuts down and rests. But medically speaking, sleep is actually one of the most active repair periods your body experiences every single day. While you're asleep, your brain reorganizes information, your immune system resets, and your cells begin repairing the damage that accumulated during the day. Your eyes are part of this process as well. In fact, the nighttime hours are when your eyes attempt to carry out some of their most important maintenance and recovery work. The retina, which is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of your eye, is one of the most metabolically active tissues in the entire body. That means it requires a constant supply of oxygen, nutrients, and healthy blood flow to keep its cells functioning properly. During sleep, the body normally delivers these resources so that retinal cells, especially the delicate photoreceptor cells responsible for capturing light, can repair small amounts of daily wear and tear. However, as we age, several changes begin to interfere with this repair process. Circulation can gradually slow down. The tiny blood vessels that supply the retina may become less efficient, and the amount of oxygen reaching these cells can decrease. When that happens, the retina may not receive the support it needs during the very hours when it should be restoring itself. Another important factor is oxidative stress. Throughout the day, your eyes are exposed to light, digital screens, ultraviolet radiation, and environmental pollutants. These exposures create unstable molecules known as free radicals. Under normal conditions, your body neutralizes these molecules using antioxidants and cellular repair systems. But when oxidative stress becomes too high, it can slowly damage the delicate structures inside retinal cells. Inflammation is another contributor that often goes unnoticed. Low-grade inflammation can quietly develop in many tissues of the body as we age, including the eyes. When this happens in the retina, it can interfere with normal cell communication, weaken protective structures, and make the tissue more vulnerable to degeneration over time. The challenge is that all of this happens silently. Unlike other health conditions that cause obvious pain or discomfort, retinal stress rarely produces immediate symptoms. Many adults across the United States only begin to notice something is wrong when changes become more visible, such as difficulty adjusting to darkness, halos around headlights while driving at night, or blurry vision that seems worse in the morning. By the time these symptoms appear, the underlying changes may have been developing for years. That's why understanding what happens inside the eyes during sleep is so important. Nighttime is not just when the body rests, it's when critical cellular repair should occur. Supporting healthy circulation, reducing oxidative stress, and protecting retinal cells can help ensure that this overnight repair process works the way it was designed to. When people begin to see sleep as a recovery window for their eyes, it changes how they think about eye health entirely. Instead of reacting only after vision declines, they start focusing on supporting the biological processes that protect vision long before serious problems develop. When people think about protecting their eyesight, the first things that usually come to mind are glasses, eye drops, or medical procedures. While those treatments certainly have their place, what many adults do not realize is that nutrition also plays a meaningful role in supporting the health of the eyes. The cells inside the retina are extremely sensitive to damage from oxidative stress, inflammation, and reduced circulation. Because of this, the nutrients you provide your body each day can influence how well those delicate cells repair themselves. Certain fruits are particularly valuable because they contain compounds that directly support eye tissue. These include antioxidants, carotenoids, vitamins, and plant-based nutrients that help protect retinal cells from damage. Over time, these compounds can contribute to healthier blood vessels, improved circulation to the eyes, and stronger protection for the photoreceptor cells that allow us to see clearly. One of the most important factors in age-related vision decline is oxidative stress. Throughout the day, the eyes are constantly exposed to light, environmental toxins, and digital screens. This exposure creates unstable molecules known as free radicals. When free radicals accumulate faster than the body can neutralize them, they begin damaging cells, including the delicate structures in the retina. Antioxidants found in many fruits help counteract this process by stabilizing these molecules and reducing the overall burden of oxidative stress. Carotenoids are another group of nutrients that are especially important for eye health. These naturally occurring pigments give many fruits their bright colors, such as red, orange, purple, and deep blue. Two carotenoids that researchers frequently study in relation to vision are lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds accumulate in the retina and act almost like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful light and protecting sensitive eye tissue. Vitamins also play an essential role. Vitamin C supports healthy blood vessels, helping maintain circulation to the retina. Vitamin A contributes to proper functioning of the photoreceptor cells that allow the eye to detect light and adapt to darkness. Vitamin E works as another powerful antioxidant, protecting cell membranes from damage that can accumulate over time. Fruits that naturally contain these nutrients can help supply the body with the compounds it needs to support overnight repair processes. During sleep, the body redistributes nutrients, clears cellular waste, and begins repairing tissues that were stressed throughout the day. When the body has access to protective nutrients, retinal cells may be better equipped to maintain their structure and function. Across the United States, eye health experts increasingly emphasize the importance of dietary patterns that support long-term vision. While no single food can prevent every eye condition, consistent intake of nutrient-rich fruits and vegetables has been associated with healthier aging and reduced risk of certain vision problems. The key message here is that protecting your eyesight is not only about what happens in the doctor's office. It's also about the daily choices that support your body's natural repair systems. By regularly including fruits that provide antioxidants, carotenoids, and essential vitamins, you are giving your eyes the nutritional tools they need to maintain clearer, healthier vision over time. When it comes to protecting your eyesight through nutrition, what many people don't realize is that the benefits of healthy foods depend not only on what you eat, but also on how your body absorbs and uses those nutrients. In other words, timing, balance, and proper nutrient combinations can make a meaningful difference in how effectively these protective compounds reach your eyes. The retina and other delicate tissues of the eye rely on a steady supply of nutrients delivered through the bloodstream. However, not all nutrients are absorbed equally. Many of the compounds that support eye health, such as carotenoids and certain antioxidants, are fat-soluble. This means they require small amounts of healthy fats in order for the body to absorb them efficiently. Without that, a significant portion of these nutrients may simply pass through the digestive system without ever reaching the cells that need them. For example, when fruits rich in carotenoids or antioxidants are paired with a small amount of healthy fat, such as walnuts, flaxseed, chia seeds, or avocado, the body can absorb these nutrients more effectively. Research has shown that the presence of healthy fats can significantly increase the bioavailability of certain plant compounds, allowing them to circulate in the bloodstream and eventually reach tissues like the retina. Timing also plays an important role. During sleep, the body shifts into a recovery and repair mode. Circulation patterns change, cellular repair systems become more active, and tissues throughout the body begin restoring themselves from the stress of the day. Providing your body with nutrient-rich foods earlier in the evening may help ensure that protective compounds are available in the bloodstream during this important overnight repair window. Another factor people often overlook is balance. While fruits provide valuable vitamins and antioxidants, overall dietary patterns still matter. A balanced diet that includes vegetables, healthy fats, lean proteins, and whole foods supports the broader systems that maintain eye health. Proper circulation, stable blood sugar levels, and reduced inflammation throughout the body all contribute to a healthier environment for the eyes. Hydration is equally important. The eyes depend on adequate fluid balance to maintain the tear film that keeps the surface of the eye comfortable and clear. Dehydration can worsen dryness and irritation, particularly in older adults. Consistently drinking enough water throughout the day helps support this protective layer. It's also important to remember that protecting your eyesight is rarely the result of one single food or supplement. Instead, it comes from consistent habits practiced over time. Regular eye examinations, balanced nutrition, quality sleep, and healthy lifestyle choices all work together to support long-term visual health. Across the United States, more people are beginning to recognize that maintaining healthy vision is closely tied to overall wellness. By paying attention not only to what you eat, but also to how your body uses those nutrients, you can support the natural systems that help protect your eyesight. Your vision allows you to stay independent, connected, and engaged with the world around you. Supporting it through thoughtful nutrition is one of the simplest ways to care for your eyes for the years ahead. Thank you for taking the time to care about your eye health today. Small daily choices can make a meaningful difference in how well your eyes function as you age. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with someone who may benefit from it as well. Stay curious, take care of your health, and most importantly, take care of your eyes.